Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss 7 essential foods that you should consider including in your diet after the age of 50. As our bodies change over time, our nutritional needs evolve as well. So, let's dive into these fantastic foods that can contribute to a healthier and more vibrant life. Segment 1: Leafy Greens for Bone Health. Our first food group is leafy greens, rich in calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K. These nutrients are essential for maintaining bone health as we age. So, don't forget to add a variety of leafy greens to your salads, smoothies, and stir-fries. Segment 2: Omega-3 Rich Foods for Brain Function. Next up, we have omega-3 rich foods. These are fantastic for brain health and can help improve cognitive function. Fatty fish like salmon, along with walnuts and chia seeds, are excellent sources. Remember, a healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Segment 3: Fiber-packed whole grains for digestion. Moving on to segment 3, let's talk about whole grains. These fiber-packed wonders aid digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and provide lasting energy. Opt for quinoa, brown rice, and oats to enjoy the benefits of whole grains. Segment 4: Colorful berries for antioxidants now. Let's explore the world of antioxidants with our fourth food group: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are bursting with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and support a healthy immune system. Plus, they're a delicious and sweet treat. Segment 5: Lean proteins for muscle health. Maintaining muscle health becomes increasingly important as we age. That's where lean proteins come in. Incorporate sources like lean meats, tofu, and legumes to ensure your muscles stay strong and you feel energetic. And there you have it, 7 essential foods that can make a positive difference in your life after the age of 50. Remember, a balanced and nutrient-rich diet can help you stay active, sharp, and full of vitality. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more valuable insights. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.